Welcome again to how to solve the 3x3x3 Rubik's Cube. Now, in part 2 I'm going to tell you how to do the top layer and completely solve it actually, yes. Now, how to make this yellow side completely yellow is you do this algorithm to get a yellow fish. Now, how to get the yellow fish is by doing this algorithm over and over again until you actually get the fish. Now, it'll take some time or it'll take no time at all. It really depends. And I know some of the patterns, and I can't go into explaining them in full detail in this video clip, but I might do a video clip that will explain it all. So, if we get started, this is the algorithm. We do front, right. Oh, by the way, we are keeping the white side down as well. Front, right, top, right, up, top, left, right, down, top, right, and front, left. Now that won't move any of what you've done in this layer, but it will change the pattern on top. Now I've just got one yellow strip there, and I'll do it again. Front right, right up, top left, right down, top right, front left. And as a matter of fact, it has made a white fish. As you see, there is the white fish. This is an orange piece. It makes it look yellow. Now, the yellow fish should look like that. 4 squares here and 2 there. Now, we want the nose of the fish, which is this part here, which is opposite those two, pointing to your bottom left. And then you face it that way. And this algorithm is pretty fun to do. It is up right, top left, right down, top left, right down, right up, top left 2 times, right down. That's basically it. Now, and yeah, it's made another fish. It can do this sometimes. Now all you got to do is do that algorithm again by pointing the nose of the fish down like that. Right up, top left, right down, top left, right up, top left 2 times, right down. And it's made a complete yellow side. And now what you got to do is sort out this layer. But how are you going to do that without messing up the whole cube? Well, this is very easy. And it's the perfect example. Because normally you might have one complete side and then 2 of the same color there and 1 different in the middle on all the other sides, like this one. And all you do is match it up like that. But you might be at the stage where I am, where the other 3 sides are completely different, and instead of one like this, it's just one complete side. So in this case, it might be completely red. Now, if your cube looks like this, with 3 sides like this, or 4 sides like this, and with the 3 sides it has a complete side like that, do not do the algorithm that I'm going to show you. But if your cube is like mine, or it's got no sides like that, or complete, or it's got a complete side, or one like this, do the algorithm, because then it will sort out the cube. Now, you want to face your completed side, or one like this, away from you. So it's the opposite side. Now this one is a very long algorithm. Okay? It goes right down, front, left, right down, back, left 2 times, right up, front, left, right down, back left 2 times, back up right up twice. Now, this is the stage I was talking about before. You have 3 like this and 1 completed side, or you have 4 like this. Now, if you had before, like I had, and 1 side like this or like that, I mean, you didn't have 1 like that or that, you will have to do the algorithm again, but pointing your completed side, or alternating side, as I like to call it, away from you. Now, if you're at the stage I am now, or you've got 4 like this, you will have to do this algorithm, but this time you face the completed side away from you. But if you do not have a completed side, does not matter what you do. Now, what you do with this is you do right, left twice, top, left. Actually, little trick I learnt, not necessarily top left, because if you do top right, it's will match the colours up, and if you know they match the colours up, it will complete the cube in one more algorithm. But if you do it so it's like that, you got to do the algorithm again. So I'll show you what I mean. So you got this. So let's say we did it so it didn't match up. So you've moved it front twice left and then top left. Move right and left down. Move it left twice again twice. And then you move right up, left up, top left, and then spin it 180 degrees. Now, it still hasn't completed it. But what I wanted to show you is, if I did it the other way, so we do front 180 degrees and top left, but it's lining up the colours this time. I could have easily done right and lined up the colours. Okay, so this is top left, right down, left down, 180 degrees, which is left, front twice in any direction, right up, left up, top left, and left 2 times. And there you have it. The Rubik's Cube is complete. Learn this, all of the stages completely, and I don't know, amaze your friends. They'll be flabbergasted. Trust me, I do it to mine. Thanks for watching. I'll probably put a video up on how to get to the fish quicker, but I don't know, it depends what I feel like doing actually. Yeah, okay. See you then.